Good morning, you guys. I might turn what I'm going to talk about here into a YouTube video because I think this will be super, super helpful. So it's early in the morning, Saturday, 6:33 a.m. I woke up at 4:30. I'm journaling here. These are my journals on Amazon. And all of a sudden I get this idea about looking up vacuums because I'm meeting with my dad today to work on a Dyson vacuum that will go up on my cleaning channel. This is going to be important and helpful for you, so stay tuned. And all of a sudden I'm like, vacuum. I need to research this keyword, vacuum. I want to go into YouTube, and then all of a sudden in the search bar, you know, when you type something in, like suggestions pop up underneath it. The word vacuum cleaner sound is like the first thing that pops up. And the first thing that pops up is usually one of the most highly searched words when it comes to a particular keyword. I hope you get where I'm going with that. And so I'm like, this is interesting, vacuum cleaner sound. So I go in there, and you guys, this is the stuff that I find on the internet that I wouldn't otherwise know that exists, but because I teach people how to use YouTube to build profitable online business, I find all of this random stuff. So I'm like, well, let me just check on view counts of this vacuum cleaner sound. And I watched several of the videos. They're all a little bit different, but you guys, the highest viewed video about a vacuum cleaner sound is 11 million views 6 years ago. 11 million views, and the video is 8 hours long. That's probably why it's ranked number one, because the watch time is longer. I don't know that I want to upload an 8-hour long video, although I'll try to do maybe a little bit higher than the average. We'll see. Watch time is very important on YouTube. So this video, my subscribers are probably not going to love this sort of thing, but here is my idea with it, and that's okay. You need to experiment with different things. This would be a video that would be found in search, so I'm going to see if I can title it in a particular way, make the thumbnail a little bit more catchy so that people would be more likely to click on my vacuum cleaner sound video as opposed to somebody else's. And you guys, I'm actually planning on vacuuming my kids' room today, so it makes perfect sense. I'm so excited to make this video. Like, this is going to be a super easy video to make, like no editing really. So like, this is just the coolest stuff ever, you guys. So stay tuned. Again, the subscribers aren't going to love it. I don't try to make videos that my subscribers are absolutely going to love, because most of my watch time, you guys, like 90% of it, I can put up a screenshot here for if this is on YouTube, are non-subscribers. Just keep that in mind, okay? Is it important to make videos that your subscribers like? Yes, absolutely. But also, I wouldn't use that as a reason to not experiment with what it is that you do. I'm sure this is super shaky right now as I'm holding this up. So you need to experiment. Like, that's the key, I think, with building any successful business, and especially doing YouTube. Like, don't get so stuck on certain things. You got to experiment with different things. So this vacuum cleaner sound one, like, I am so pumped. And then I found a bunch of channels that were dedicated completely to white noise, ambient sounds, specific channels for baby, to help baby relax. So apparently people put on their phone, probably most likely, the sound of a vacuum cleaner to fall asleep with, to relax with. I mean, my baby loves, she's 5 months old, she loves a vacuum cleaner. Like, I totally get this, but in my own life, I wouldn't have thought of this, you guys. Like, this is cool stuff. So here's the moral of the story. There are gems for everything on YouTube. Like I always say, if you have an interest or a passion about something, chances are there's a whole community on YouTube or a whole group of people that are going into YouTube that also enjoy this thing and want more of it. Anything. Vacuum cleaner sounds included. The other thing is, list out, like, in your daily life, like as you're going about your day, be really conscious about the little things that spark joy in you, using Marie Kondo term. And even as random as it could be, like the most random things, you guys, cleaning and making something dirty and transforming it, like, sparks joy within me. So this is why my cleaning channel, I just enjoy it so much, and it's fun, and I find all these new fun things. So that's the second moral of the story. Find what you love and research around that, and be creative and flexible. And I am just so excited. And yes, I'm going to be titling this very strategically so that it can be found in search in multiple ways. If the video starts to perform relatively well, I'll probably make another video related to it. Just like today, I am ranking for how to wash pillows. So I'm actually making another video about it, but I'm going to use a different strategy. So keep that in mind too, as something else for you on your own success when it comes to building a YouTube channel. All right, time to finish my journaling here. By the way, these are in my Amazon store. This weekend, I definitely want to start making a gratitude journal and figuring out how to create sponsored ads for that. But I'm a one-woman show here, so I kind of have a hierarchy of things that need to be done, and the cleaning channel is first and foremost because that is my #1 source of income, and then kind of these other things come in the back end, right? If you're trying to do too many things at once, it's hard to excel at one particular thing. So for me, my #1 thing at this point is my cleaning channel, growing that, providing the most value. So anyway, sign up in the, if you see here on Instagram, my profile, I have a newsletter where I share more of this stuff of building the business. And then if this is on YouTube, it's in the description box here of the YouTube channel. So make sure that you sign up for that. And I love you guys. Have a great weekend.